Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my long-awaited Ipsy and Boxycharm unboxing. I typically do these separate, but I'm doing them together this time just because this month has been crazy. As you previously saw, my last video is my pregnancy announcement, so I've been pretty sick, which hasn't motivated me to film, and then our house was without power for about 5 days, so I couldn't film, edit, upload anything. So we are jumping into it now. So I'm going to be unbagging, unboxing all of this, going over it, applying it, and then also if you stay tuned to the end of the video, there is going to be a giveaway. So I do have 8 different items in the giveaway, so that is going to be February's giveaway. Again, I do apologize, it is a little bit later than I typically do my giveaways, but if you're interested in seeing my Ipsy versus Boxy and plus my giveaway, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're going to start off with my Ipsy, which I have right here. So the first thing I have in here was a choice item, and it is the It Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Foundation Brush. This is supposed to be like a really nice brush. It's like $40, I believe. However, I typically only ever use sponges, so this is going to be one of the giveaway items. Another thing in here is this. It's from the CRÈME shop. I've never heard of this brand before, but it's an Ethereal Glow Ampoule Serum, Peach Essence Argan Oil. I use this as a primer today. It gives a really nice glow to the skin. And it smells, it's not very heavily fragranced, it's very lightly fragranced, and it smells really nice. Like, I'm not opposed to it. I don't typically like to have scented skincare products, but I mean, I'll let this one slide. Next in the Ipsy bag, we have this GOLDFADEN MD Problem Uneven Skin Tone Solution Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. I'm not sure if that was the whole name or what exactly was the name, but this is a moisturizer. As stated, this is also going to be in the giveaway, so I'm going to put that in my box. Another thing in the Ipsy bag is from Touch in Seoul. This is the other item I picked. This is what I have on today. I know it doesn't really go with my shirt and stuff, but I do like it. I like the packaging, I like the matte case. It's really pretty. I have a lip liner on from NYX. It is in the shade Plush Red. If you guys are ever wondering what I am wearing on my face, you can always check the description box. I always link everything down below, so you can check that out. And then the last thing that came in my Ipsy bag was this like quad. It's from Naked Cosmetics, and it is this like loose pigment quad. I've never used loose pigments before. They're okay. There is this one that I use all over my lid, this like golden one in nude, naturally nude, and then I took this dark one in Sierra Nevada and put that on, like use it as a liner. And I used this one, which is also Sierra Nevada. I guess this is another one. I use this as a highlight, which I don't think I would recommend, and then the other one I did not use. So I do like these. However, I will insert like a close-up of all the fallout. If you're going to be using these, make sure to put them on before you do your base because it was messy. So that is all the products from the Ipsy Glam bag, plus I will put the total right here on the screen. And now we're going to jump into the Boxycharm right here. So I'm going to be honest, the Ipsy was better for me this month than the Boxycharm. I didn't really get like any makeup products, really. I mean, I got like some makeup stuff, but it was kind of a letdown. So my choice item was this brow bar by REEMA. This is what I picked this month. First of all, the packaging gets really, really messy, and you can see your fingerprints all over it. So I don't, excuse me, like that. And here's what it comes with. It comes with tweezers, a spoolie, and a brow pencil, a dark brow powder, a light brow powder, like a concealer, which didn't really match me, and then like a shimmer eyeshadow shade if you want to use that. So I did like this. Obviously I picked it. So it's in the shade medium. It's really nice, especially on the go, because it has all that stuff that you need. And that actually retails, because Boxycharm comes with this, Ipsy doesn't. This retails for $40. Next I have from Glamir. It is this eyeshadow brush set. I used 2 of these today. I used this to apply the shadow on my lid and this to do the liner. They're really pretty. The packaging is beautiful. It's these little pink hearts because the theme this month was, you know, like Valentine's Day or whatever, love. And it's just really, really pretty. So these are really, really cute. I really, really like these. Let me see how many times I can say really, really. The rest of the stuff in here is going to be in the giveaway. So next we have from Evo Beauty. It's a pore perfecting primer, and this is $23. This is a moisturizing primer with a matte finish that will create a smooth base for your foundation and help it last all day. With everyday use, your skin will experience the benefits of great ingredients like green tea to soothe the skin and minimize the appearance of pores while reducing any redness. This actually sounds like something I would really like, because I do have larger pores and redness, but I just have so many primers right now. So again, this is going to be in the giveaway. Another item that I have is from TULA Skincare. It's their So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. So it's this guy. It says, created with powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel, this scrub helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. So this retails for $32. It sounds really, really nice, but I just don't need a scrub right now. I just try to be more gentle with my skin while I am pregnant. And then the last item in here is from a brand called TRÈSTIQUE. We have gotten several items from them before in Boxycharm and Ipsy. And it is a eye duo Good Vibes mascara plus eye pencil. So there's a mascara, an eye pencil, plus there's like this little tool right here that you use to curl your lashes. And this retails for $44. So that's actually really expensive. I'm not going to open this up, but I will show you on the box like the eye pencil. Oh, actually the eye pencil is right here. Just kidding. Eye pencil right here. It looks like it's just in a black shade. I won't be opening that or swatching that because I will be giving this away. So I don't want to tamper with that. So again, I will insert the total right here. And now we're going to get into the giveaway. Okay, so here is my giveaway box. So as I previously stated, I have these 2 items from my Ipsy and then these 3 items from my Boxy. So there is 5 items right there. And then I have a separate giveaway box that I pile things in, and I picked 3 things from there. So first of all, we have this highlighter from Ofra Cosmetics, and this is like the Nikki Tutorials collab, and it's in the shade Glow Goals. I'm going to open it. I'm not going to swatch it though, but it's a really, really pretty like golden champagne color. Packaging is really, really nice. It's pretty thick, but Ofra has amazing highlighters. I actually really love Ofra, but I don't need that one because I have, oh crap. Okay, everything's fine. As I was saying, I don't need that one because I have plenty of highlighters. So next we have from Iconic London. I have this face palette right here. I will show you. As you can see, the protective casing is still on it, but we've got some bronzers, blushes, and highlights. Really, really pretty. And then I can't do a giveaway, guys, without having an eyeshadow palette. So this is from Hip Dot. It is a Cenote, I think is what it's called, eyeshadow palette. And here is what it looks like. Really pretty blues. You got some neutrals. This is gorgeous, you guys. I think it's so pretty. So that is what I have for this giveaway. Again, that is 8 items all here in this box. So to enter the giveaway, It's the same for all of my giveaways that I have. They're just 3 rules. You must be subscribed to my channel. Give the video a like and then leave a comment down below. Make sure you leave a way for me to reach you, Instagram handle, email, whatever. I will leave this video up for a week. So this is going up Friday. So next Friday is when I will announce the winner. How I announce the winner is over on my Instagram page. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure to check me out there. It's just at Mary Petrushko. I do a lot of polls, questions, and everything on there. So I'll announce the winner on there after contacting the winner. Also, this is USA only. So be aware of that. I'll have all the rules listed down below too. So just go ahead and check the description box for all of that. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.